Hi there guys and gals, good day to each every one of you. Let's have some late lunch. I am so hungry. Gosh. As usual, I bring my own cooked rice. Cooked rice. With lots of tutong. I ordered for a pork chop. You know what? This is very cheap and affordable. Be the first one to taste, be the first one to buy. Come on, open your mouth. Don't be shy. Love it. Love it. It's for you. Oh, sorry. No more abstinence. And I also have here squash. Squash. Cooked in coconut oil. Tastes so good. Oh, sorry. My bad. Sorry guys. Better now.